I was in the Navy for about 9 years, and in the Navy, I was what's called a nuclear reactor operator. Being in the nuclear power field, you have to pay attention to detail. There's a lot of things that require such intricate details. And so I've been able to carry that over into the legal field by paying attention to certain little details that sometimes people may miss or even other attorneys may miss. And that's been a really big benefit for me, being able to turn cases that may have not turned out very well and actually gotten a better result because of finding little details that may have otherwise slipped through the cracks. Ever since I started at Farah Farah, I have just been completely satisfied and happy with the choice that I made to come over here. Eddie and Chuck are great guys. They really appreciate and understand the need for a work-life balance. They are fine with you taking off the time when you need to take time. And they really just want to make sure that the employees are doing a good job for the clients, but that the employees are also taking care of themselves as well, physically, mentally, emotionally. And I really appreciate that from an employer who cares as much about me as they do about clients that we represent. When interacting with my clients, I try to act as the navigator. When you get on an airplane, there's a navigator that tells the pilot, this is the direction we should go, this is the altitude we should fly, this is the speed we should go. But the pilot's the one running the plane. So the pilot could say, I hear what you're saying, I'm gonna go a different direction. That may not be the best for the plane. It may not get you there the quickest, the safest, or with the least amount of turbulence, but it's the pilot's decision. So when I interact with the clients, I make sure to let them know that I'm the navigator, but you are the pilot. This is your case. This is your medical treatment. This is your body. I'm just here to tell you this is going to be the best way to navigate through it based on the experience, based on the education, based on all the evidence and the facts that we have. Some people think that because Farah Farah is the largest personal injury law firm in Jacksonville, that we are somehow just a mill, that clients are just a number, that all we care about is just closing out this case and getting to the next one. And that couldn't be farther from the truth. The firm is really intent on making sure that the attorney's case numbers are low so that the attorney still has that personal interaction with each client. At Farah Farah, having our case numbers down to the number that we do have makes it much more realistic that we're able to keep track of each of our clients, have that contact on a regular basis with our clients, and to be able to basically walk through the case with them, hold their hand, walk through it arm in arm.